If you came across this video, it means that you want to purchase a used BMW, and you have come to the perfect place. I'm an automotive engineer, I work in a car workshop, I love cars, and I can give you some advice. So if you want to learn more about BMW and which are the best models or the best engines, then you should be watching this video. Test driven and I have seen hundreds of BMWs each day at the place where I work, and trust me, from what I've seen, I can tell you for sure that the most reliable engines from BMW are the inline-6 ones. So if you want a decent BMW, let's say a BMW 3 Series E90, and you want it with a diesel engine, you can get one at around 8–10,000 euros, and you can get it with a manual or an automatic transmission, and you can have it with rear-wheel drive or with all-wheel drive. And basically you have a decent fuel consumption, you have plenty of power, plenty of torque, and it sounds nice. I'm not a big fan of diesel engines, but the inline-6 engines from BMW sound awesome. If you want to purchase an F10 5 Series, for example, do not get it with a 2-liter engine. The car is way too heavy and way too big, so a 2-liter diesel engine, even a 2-liter gasoline engine, is way too small for the size of that car. You want a 5 Series, get a 3-liter diesel engine, inline-6, or a 3-liter gasoline engine, whether it's the 535i, which has twin turbo engine, or if you want a 530i, which is naturally aspirated. You can also get the 523i, which has a 3-liter inline-6 gasoline engine with just 204 horsepower. The purpose of that car is oriented around reliability. It's extremely reliable, extremely silent. I have recently driven one and it's excellent, trust me. You won't have any major problems with that engine, with that car, and you can go with it no problem. Avoid purchasing the 318i, E46 and E90, which have the same engine, basically the 2-liter inline-4 with 143 horsepower. Major problems with oil consumption and oil leaks, and as a whole they suck. If you want a proper E46 or E90, go with the 2.5 inline-6 engines. They're almost indestructible. If I had to purchase a BMW for myself right now at around 10,000 euros with features, power, etc., I would purchase a 330i E90 with a manual transmission. Automatic transmissions used in BMW are awesome. In my opinion, I have said this a dozen of times, BMW is the king when it comes to automatic transmissions. They're super reliable, super responsive. All you need to do is to change the oil from time to time at around 40,000 kilometers, 50,000 kilometers, depending on where you live and how you drive the car. But anyways, super reliable. Great transmissions. I absolutely love them. It's up to you what you prefer. I prefer a manual. If you prefer an automatic, get it with an automatic. As you may probably know, BMW has tons of features, but if you want the best out of a BMW, get one with an M package, both the interior and the exterior. It looks way better. So if you want to use BMW and you want a gasoline engine, I would stick to the E90 or the E60 or the F10, but I would purchase naturally aspirated gasoline engines because nowadays they're almost extinct. So basically, if you want to purchase a brand new BMW right now, you can't find a model without a turbocharger. And you have BMWs which have up to 4 turbochargers in the 7 Series and in the 5 Series, which are super complex. I wouldn't ever purchase anything like that. Even if you have a great fuel consumption, even if you have power, torque, it feels awesome, it responds awesome, but they're so complex, I couldn't imagine if anything would break at that car, at that engine. The best things in the world have to be simple. And when it comes to simple and reliable at BMW, we're talking about inline-6 engines. And by the way, if you want to purchase an inline-6 or an inline-4 engine from BMW and it's a diesel engine, if it's after 2007 or 2006, it might have a DPF filter. So if the car has over 200,000 kilometers on board, take into consideration that you would probably need to replace the DPF. I know that nowadays, most of us try to delete the DPF, and I know how to delete a DPF. But anyways, I wouldn't recommend you to do that. It's not legal. A DPF filter costs around 2,000 euros or $2,000, so it's a lot of money, if you don't drive that much and you drive mostly around town, don't get a diesel engine. Get a BMW with a gasoline engine. And also, if you get a BMW with over 200 horsepower and you want an M experience on a budget, consider upgrading to a limited slip differential from Quaife, which you can purchase at around $1,500, and you can install it pretty easily at any car workshop. Basically, you'll have better traction in any conditions and you'll have an M experience. You can basically drift like an M model without having to purchase an M3 and M5 to go around the corners. 200-250 horsepower is more than enough for your BMW to go sideways, like a pro. All you need is a little bit of skill, and a 3-liter inline-6 engine with 258 horsepower on the 3 Series combined with a limited differential is more than enough. So you can do a lot of things to your BMW. So at around 10,000 euros, you can find pretty decent used in excellent condition BMW models. So if you have any further questions about used BMWs, don't hesitate to write down in the comment section. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you haven't already for more car videos, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.